The paper of the day is Spark SQL, Relational Data Processing in Spark. This paper presented Spark SQL, a new module in Apache Spark providing rich integration with relational processing. Spark SQL extends Spark with the Declarative Data Frame API to allow relational processing, offering benefits such as automatic optimization and letting users write complex pipelines that mix relational and complex analytics. It supports a wide range of features tailored to large-scale data analysis, including semi-structured data, query federation, and data types for machine learning. To enable these features, Spark SQL is based on an extensible optimizer called Catalyst that makes it easy to add optimization rules, data sources, and data types by embedding it into Scala programming language. User feedback and benchmarks show that Spark SQL makes it significantly simpler and more efficient to write data pipelines that mix relational and procedural processing, while offering substantial speedups over previous SQL and Spark engines. Paper compared the performance of Spark SQL against Shark and Impala using AmpLab Big Data Benchmark, which uses a web analytics workload benchmark. The benchmark contains 4 types of queries with different parameters, performing scans, aggregation, joins, and UDF-based MapReduce job. Now, let's take a look at the contributions. Spark SQL was released in May 2014 and is now one of the most actively developed components in Spark. As of writing of this paper, Apache Spark is the most active open source project for big data processing with over 400 contributors in the past year. Spark SQL has already been deployed in very large scale environments. For example, a large internet company uses Spark SQL to build data pipelines and run queries on 8,000 node cluster with over 100 petabytes of data. Each individual query regularly operates on tens of terabytes. In addition, many users adopt Spark SQL not just for SQL queries, but in programs that combine it with procedural processing. For example, 2/3 of customers of Databricks Cloud, a hosted service running Spark, uses Spark SQL within other programming languages. Performance-wise, Spark SQL is competitive with SQL-only systems on Hadoop for relational queries. It is up to 10 times faster and more memory efficient than naive Spark code in computational and expressible in SQL. List of PS Code. Overall, this paper is a nice read, so it gets 9 out of 10 on readability. 12 pages long. This scores 9 out of 10 on length. The description of the approach is decent, so that makes it 9 out of 10. Industry value and limit is pretty high, so it gets 9 out of 10 on each. Overall PS score is 9 out of 9.